Forget everything you have learned about success, because the world you're entering in 2026 will reward completely different skills. Money will flow toward people who can think faster, work smarter, and create value in new ways. This is not about degrees or long experience anymore. It's about learning the right skills that match the way the global economy is shifting. If you start building these skills today, you'll be ahead of millions of people still stuck in the old system. Today, let's explore 3 powerful skills that can genuinely push you toward wealth in 2026 and beyond. Skill number 1, adaptive intelligence. Adaptive intelligence is your ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn quickly as the world keeps changing. In 2026, industries will shift faster than ever because of AI automation, remote work evolution, and global competition. People who can adjust their thinking, upgrade their knowledge, and switch strategies without fear will dominate high-income opportunities. This skill helps you stay relevant, even when old systems collapse. It also allows you to take advantage of new tools, new markets, and new technologies before others notice them. When you make adaptability a habit, you stop depending on stability and start depending on your growth. That's how real wealth begins. Skill number 2, digital influence and authority building. Digital influence is no longer about being a content creator. It's about building trust, visibility, and authority in your field. In 2026, opportunities will naturally move toward those who have an online presence strong enough to influence decisions. Whether you are in business, freelancing, consulting, or investing, people choose someone they already know online. When you build digital authority through videos, blogs, insights, or expert opinions, you position yourself as the go-to person. This skill opens doors to high-paying clients, collaborations, partnerships, and passive income. You don't need millions of followers. You only need strong authority in your category. Once you have that, money follows you instead of you chasing it. Skill number 3, AI-driven problem solving. AI is not replacing people. AI is replacing people who don't know how to use it. In 2026 and beyond, the highest earning individuals will be those who use AI tools to solve problems faster, cheaper, and better than others. AI-driven problem solving means learning how to use AI for research, automation, marketing, product building, prediction, and optimization. Instead of spending hours on tasks, you use AI to create value in minutes. This skill gives you a massive advantage because businesses and clients want results, not effort. When you combine human creativity with AI power, you become unstoppable. This is the skill that turns ordinary people into high-earning professionals. Start practicing these 3 skills today, and you'll enter 2026 with a serious advantage. Wealth will belong to people who adapt fast, build influence, and use AI wisely. The earlier you begin, the stronger your results will be. Your future income depends on what you decide today.